Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is Armstrong number and how we can code that one. And let's go and start. Usually it is asked in the interview, like check if the number is Armstrong or not. This is the common questions in the interview, and you are doing the coding part, like while you are practicing the coding one, it is helpful. Let's go and start. What is an Armstrong number? An Armstrong number of n digits is the number that is equals to the sum of its digits, each raised to the power of n. Means, let's take an example. Given a number like 153. You need to check it is the Armstrong number or not. How we are going to do? Let's take, we are having this number 53. Check how many digits are there. They are given one number 153, right? We need to check how many digits are present in that number. How many digits are there? 3 numbers, right? Three numbers are there, like 1, 5, 3. 3 numbers are there. We need to count that number first. We got it, right? How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. Then we need to take the individual digits. Like we need to take 1, we need to take 5 separately, we need to take 3 separately. Then we need to do the power. Let's see how we are going to do. See here, we are taking a single digit, right? We are taking 1 here. Okay. See, we will take an digit 1. We will take an digit 1. Then we will take a digit 5. Then we will take a digit 3 separately. Separately we need to take the digit 1 and 5 and 3. Then see here, we are taking digits separately. We are taken a digit separately. 1 we are taken separately, then 5 we are taken separately, then 3 we are taken separately. Then what we need to do is, we are counted, right? How many digits are there? 3 digits, right? For individual number we need to power it. We need to take 1 to power 3, right? 3 digits are there, that's why we are taking as 3. 1 to the power 3, then 5 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 3, like that. I think you are getting, right? See here, first we need to take that number and we need to count the digits. How many digits are there in that number? 153, 153, right? In 153, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. You will be stored that number 3 digits totally. Okay, then we need to take the individual number 1, then we need to take the number 5, then we need to take the number 3, then we need to raise the power. For how many? Like 3, 1 to the power 3, then 5 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 3. This 3 is how many digits are there? If 2 digits are there, then we need to give the 2 here, then we need to give 2, then we need to give 2. After that, what we need to do is, after raising the power, we need to sum that number plus do plus. Okay. Then you need to add those number. I think so you got it. See here, if we do the 1 to the power 3, what we will get? We will get 1, right? We will get 1. Then if we do that 5 to the power 3, what we will get? 5 into 5 into 5. What you will get? 125, right? So that 120, I know it's not properly. Okay. So 1, then do the plus, adding with 125, then add with 3 to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Then what we will get? 27, right? 27. Then after adding all those things, let's check what you will get. 1 plus 125 plus 27. What you will get? 153, right? When you add that number, you will get 153. So check that original number and whatever you are getting new number, check that number. If both are same, then we call that number as Armstrong number. Let's take a 2 digits number, like we will take 1 and 2. Well, let's take how many digits are there? 2, right? So we are having 2 digits number here. Let's go. 1 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 2. Alright. So if we do this one, what we will get? 2 to the power 2 is 4, right? Plus 1. What we will get? 5, right? Compare this one, 12 and whatever you are getting here, 5, right? So both are not an Armstrong number. So 12 is not an Armstrong number. This is how we are going to find. Don't think here 2 is there, so that's why we are taking 2. Here 3 is there, so that's why we are taking 3. No, not like that. We need to count how many digits are there. Then we need to take that number. If the 2 digits are there, then we need to take the 2 digits. If the 4 digits are there, then we need to take a 4 digits. Like that we are going to find the Armstrong number. Let's go and do the coding part. How we can do that one using Java. So let's go. Open Eclipse. Let's open programming class and SRC. We are having the default package. If you want, you can give the package. Then we will start. Armstrong number. Let's click on public static void main string of aux. Then fine, we will start. We will take a input from the user. So we are going to take scanner scan equal to new scanner system.in. Then we will import this one, scan.nextInt. We are going to store this number, whatever user entered, in one variable called as num. It is of the type integer, so we are giving int. So we will give one sentence here. Sys out, enter the number. Okay. Then we will take one variable called as count. I told you, right, we need to count how many digits are there in that number. So we are taking count variable. Then we will take one more variable, original, org. I will take short one. Okay. Take the number whatever user entered and store it in one variable called as org. Then first we need to find how many digits are there in that number. So we will take one loop, while loop we will take. Then num is not equal to 0. Then num equal to num by 10. Then count plus plus. See here, what you are doing is we are taking a number, then we are going to divide num by 10. So we will get one number, then we are storing it in num variable. So after that we are incrementing the count. Then like it is reducing the digits, that's it. Like 1, 5, 3 is there. If we do that number by 10, you will get 1, 5, like that. If we do this part, it is going to helpful to count how many digits are there. You can use the shortcut. Like it is already there, we need to take string dot value of num dot length. If you use that one, you will get directly how many digits are there. but in the interview they are going to tell don't use any inbuilt functions like that. If they are told, then you need to do without any using the inbuilt. So that's why I'm explaining this part. So we are getting how many digits are there through the while loop. Then after that we need to take the individual digits, right? Then we need to power that number, right? After that we need to compare the original number and whatever you are getting the new number. If both are same, then you can say that it is the Armstrong number, otherwise no. So let's see how we can do. We will take one more loop, that is while loop. Then we are going to take one more thing, like you need to sum, right? Int sum equal to 0, right? We will take some one variable, then we will take one more variable called as a check or something you can take. I'm going to take that one, and we will take a original number from here and store it in one variable. Then after that you need to do like that, is not equal to 0. Then here we are taking up to it is not equal to 0. We are going to decrement it like that. We need to do up to the check is not equal to 0. Okay, so that let's go, and we need to take individual digits, right? We need to take the individual digits. So I'm taking one variable called as digits. How we are going to take individual digits? Let's think how. We need to do the modulus. Then we will get a single last digits. So we are taking that digits. Then we are store it in one variable called as a digit. You can take digit. Okay. Then after that we will take one variable pi equal to 1. So it is helpful to do the multiplication. You will get it. See here, we are taking one more loop called as a for loop, int I equal to 1. Then I is less than count, you need to go up to there, then increment I. See how we are taking 1 up to, we need to go up to the count, how many digits are there. If the 3 digits are there, then we need to do that part. So we are taking this loop we are taking the individual digits. After that we are going to do the power, like 1 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, right? We need to do that one. So that's why we are taking this loop. So we are getting one number, then we need to power it out. So how we are going to do? We need to multiply, right? So pi star digit. See here, you are taking a last digit, right? So let's take, you are getting 3. So we are coming inside this loop. So 3, here digit is 3, right? 3 star 1. What you are getting? 3, right? After that we need to increment the I, right? I we will get 2. Like that we are multiplying it. So you will get 3 to the power 3, right? So that's why we are taking this loop. Then after that we need to sum that one. Sum plus pi. Okay, equal to. After that we need to check, right? Check equal to check by 10, so that you will be decrementing the numbers. Like if you have 1, 5, 3, then 3 is over, 3 part is over. We are find it out the 3 to the power 3. Then after that we need to take that number, then we need to give it to sum, then we need to increment, means decrement. 153 is 3 part is over, then we need to take the 5 digit, right? So next we need to take the 5 digits. Then we need to check out here what you are having here, 1 5, right? After 1 5 you need to take the last digit. What is the last digit? 5, right? So you need to take that 5, then you need to find the power of that 5, then you need to multiply that one, like 5 into 5 like that. After that you need to do sum, right? If you finding out, like see here, you need to find this number 125, so that you will get a 125. Then 27, you need to sum that one, sum here. Like that we need to do again and again repeatedly. Here we are finding how many digits are there, then we are taking some one variable, then original we are placing in one more variable, and then we are doing one more thing, like we are taking the individual digits, right? Here we are taking individual digits, right? 1 separately, 5 separately, 3 separately. We are doing that part. first we are taking from here. We are taking 3 here. See here. We are taking 3 here. Then 3 store it in digit. Then we need to find the power of that 3 to the power 3. Right? We are finding that one and we are store it in some variable. After that here pi. Okay. You are getting here, right? 3 to the power 3. Whatever number you are getting means, let's take here 27, right? Okay. I will close this one. You are getting 27, right? 27 stored in some variable. In sum initially 0. Now sum has 27, right? We need to left that part. So here, if you are having 153, then this part is over, right? Completely this part is over. So close this one. Like that. We are leaving this part. Then 1, 5. We are having 2 digits, 1 and 5. We need to find the power of that one. So in 1, 5, we are getting here. 1, 5 we are getting. Then after that we are taking the last digit 5. Then we need to find the power of that one, like 5 to the power 3. Then after that in sum we are having 27, right? 27 plus what you are getting here, 5 to the power of 3, 125, right? So that 125, then we need to sum and store it in one variable called as sum, and we need to decrement the number, like 5 part is over, 5 to the power 3 is over. Then last digit, what is this one? 5, right? Sorry, 1, right? 1 to the power of 3. Then we need to overall finding out the sum, and this part is over. Now we need to check if org equal to, then we are getting the number, right? After sum we are getting one number and we are storing it in one variable called as a sum. Check if both are same. We can say that Armstrong number, else not a Armstrong number. Let's save and run. If the original and sum both are same, like here, see here, whatever you are getting, this is the sum value, then this is the original value, and we are comparing this both. If both are same, then we can say that it is a Armstrong number. Let's give 153. Let's see what happened. Let's print here sum so that we will get the clarity. Sum. Let's run. Enter number 153. Not Armstrong number. 35. You need to take up to count is equal. So you will get, see here, Armstrong number. Small mistake can be big problems. Okay, see here, we are taken from I equal to 1, right? So we need to go up to the count. So that's why. Let's run again. 153. Armstrong number. Let's take one more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, it's not a Armstrong number. This is how we are going to find the number is Armstrong or not. If you have any doubts or if you want any clarification, comment below. Okay, thank you. See you in the next. Bye bye.